Hi everyone, my name is Kris, the founder of ActivAge Daytime Senior Care, and today we are going to be talking a little bit about business and what is generational wealth. What does that mean to you? And I got Dre in the house. He is going to ask me questions on generational wealth, man. So what do you got today, Dre? What can we learn?
Well, what is generational wealth to you?
What is generational wealth to me? Man, honestly, just wealth in general to me means freedom. I have never been solely focused on money as like my main area of focus. It's always been about freedom. The reality of it is that, money does buy freedom, And so it can be a tool that can be utilized to buy freedom. So generational wealth would be able to, provide freedom for my family for generations to come, which obviously would be a combination of things though too, because if without good health, you can't have freedom, So it's really freedom's like good health, financially secure, the ability to do and say and go and whatever you want without restriction.
See, I agree with freedom. I also agree with passing down to my children, to grandchildren, to the great-grandchildren. I want to make sure that I have that wealth that goes on forever and keeps going.
That's so to your point there, what's important about that then is either creating a business or a real estate portfolio and a real business that can run without an owner. It's like, something that can continue to create cash flow, that can continue to grow and scale without maybe the founder or the owner being the driving force behind it, So a lot of times it really just depends, on what path. But, to me, having a big stock portfolio is not freedom because it doesn't necessarily produce cash flow. Like it's not continuing to produce a monthly check. Whereas a real estate portfolio can, and so can a business,
See, I remember I was listening to Master P and he was saying that you can't really give off your talent to your kids.
Right.
Like Michael Jordan kids, they didn't have his talent.
Right.
So sometimes you have to make product, real estate, that can always be passed on and get better at.
Right.
But you can't pass down your talent.
No, but you can at least teach, coach, mentor, advise. You can bring them along, so they can see what maybe it took or what it takes to do the things that you're doing.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, as long as you have your health, so doing whatever you can from a health standpoint to at least keep yourself healthy, eat well, take care of your health, be conscientious of maybe things that might be going on with your health. Right? So just all of those things are important. But then outside of that, it's freedom. And really, because we're stuck in a world that operates on, with money. As like you can't do anything without it. Like people don't want to barter anymore, like I'll trade you this water for those headphones. Yeah, it's not going to work, like that's not how this works anymore. So at the end of the day, like, the only way to create that level of freedom then is to have enough money. But the reality of it is it's not by earning money or earning a wage. It would be by having that passive income, which could be in the form of, like I said, like a real estate portfolio that's been established, that you're handing down to your kids. It does not need much more oversight. It's just passive income that they can collect on, or it's the business that maybe you created and you built to a large enough size that it has the capacity to continue on without you, like Apple's, like Walmart's, like, these types of companies where that particular company, can be passed down to those families, for generations to come and continue to grow and innovate and change, but also provide for those families without them ever having to work another day in their life.
There you go. You guys got your answer, right?
Right? That's right, man. So if you would like to learn more about opening your own adult daycare center, maybe, starting the process of creating generational wealth for you and your family, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you, whether it's going through our Adult Daycare Academy courses, or if you'd like to learn more about our franchisee options, you can go to adcpro.com, adcpro.com. We'd be happy to touch base with you guys and help you guys create generational wealth for you and your families. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.